Hey guys, this is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I am here to show you this Georgetown 351 bunkhouse model. This is brand new on our lot, and I'm very excited to show you this. Has a lot of cool features. Starting over in the kitchen is our solid surface countertops, sink covers, and undermounted sink with an extra large faucet reaching over there. Triple burner stove with oven with stove covers. You have an oven as well. Nice black backsplash. A little different than the other Georgetowns. Have a Magic Chef microwave. One of the unique parts of this RV is the fact that it has a full-size refrigerator by Frigidaire and a bunkhouse, or two bunks, with your dinette here as well. This gives you about up to 8 people sleeping room. Nice wood-like floors, durable. Let's take a look at the driver area. This does sit on a Ford V10 chassis. Little entertainment center here, our backup cameras, side cameras, night shades. This front shade is actually an automatic shade that comes down that covers your beautiful full view windshield. Alright, let's take a look in the bunk bed area. Each bunk bed has a little TV screen, a remote, a little ladder that goes up there. Also have LED lighting on each level as well. Drawers, keep your stuff in, and across the way you also have more storage as well. Now this leads into the master bedroom. You have privacy doors here to block off your bedroom from the rest of the RV, and lots of nice storage here. Mirrored wardrobes, flat screen TV, queen size bed, nightstands on each side. A lot of nice storage here. Alright, let's take a look in the bathroom. Bathroom's a good size. This is very much a family-oriented RV. Lots of room, lots of practical usage of this RV. The layout's very practical. Alright, let's take a look on the outside. Oh, here are all of your controls here. Let's see if we can focus in there. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so it is a full body paint. 351, you have an outside entertainment, frameless windows, and 2 slides. You have an automatic awning up here. And lots of nice storage here. The ladder for your full walk-on roof. Here there's your backup camera. Another slide here. They do come with slide toppers, which is a really great thing to have. It does come with an O&N generator as well. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. We'd be more than glad to work with you and help you find the perfect RV. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.